simplifying negative 2 square root of 27 plus 4 square root of 45 minus square root of 20 plus 3 square root of 45. First step, negative 2. Break this into square root of 9, square root of 3, plus 4 square root of 9, square root of 5, minus square root of 4, square root of 5, plus 3 square root of 9, square root of 5. This is equal to negative 2 times 3 square root of 3 plus 4 times 3 square root of 5 minus 2 square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 5. So I have negative 6 square root of 3 plus 12 square root of 5 minus 2 square root of 5 plus 9 square root of 5. This is equal to negative 6 square root of 3 plus 12 minus 2 plus 9 square root of 5. Negative 6 square root of 3. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 square root of 5. I would go 19 square root of 5 minus 6 square root of 3. Done. Number 8. Here I have 18a squared. A square root of 18a squared times 4 times the square root of 2a cubed. This is equal to the square root of 18 times the square root of a squared times 4 times the square root of 2 times the square root of a cubed. That's an a cubed. Okay. Multiplying the two numbers inside square roots, 2 times 18 is 36. So I have the square root of 36. The square root of a squared is a. There's 4. And then I have a cubed, which is the same as the square root of a is the square root of a squared, square root of a. This is 6. That's an a. That's a 4. That's an a. That's a square root of a. So final answer is 24a squared, square root of a. Number 8. Number 9. Number 9, here I have square root of 3, and inside parentheses I have negative 5 square root of 10 plus square root of 12. This is equal to square root of 3 times negative 5 times the square root of 10 plus square root of 3 times square root of 12. So this is equal to negative 5 square root of 30 plus square root of 36, which is equal to negative 5 square root of 30 plus 6. Final answer, 6 minus 5 square root of 30. That's number 9. Number 10, here I have 3 square root of 2 plus square root of 5. It's in parentheses. Here I have square root of 2 minus 3 square square root of 5r squared. Okay. So I'm going to take and multiply this term by each of these terms right here. And then I'm going to take and multiply this term by each of these terms right here. So doing the ones in red first. So if I go 3 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 2, I get 3 square root of 4. And then I'm going 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And square root of 2 times the square root of 5r squared is the square root of 10r squared. Now, multiplying the next two, I have square root of 5 times the square root of 2 is square root of 10. And square root of 5 times negative 3 square root of 5r squared is negative 3 square root of 25r squared. Alright, so let's break this down. So this is 3 times 2 minus 9r square root of 10 plus square root of 10 minus 3 square root of 25 square root of r squared. This is 6 minus 9r square root of 10 plus square root of 10 minus 3 times 5 times r. So I have 6 minus 9r square root of 10 plus square root of 10 minus 15r. Final answer.